waiting for Girias for some last 30 minutes. Finally he's here. Oh, finally some off-road. Hello boys, what's up?
How's the ride?
Now is the ride. ಇದೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we can go. Finally I have somehow managed to take this route. We're going to go up. Girish